This is Mr. P, and today I'm going to be showing you a few of the recipes that have been fairly useful to me in my journey. So most of these are also pretty good, and I'll be showing you the ingredients. So the first one is going to be the Hardy Durians, and they're almost the same as Hardy radishes and provide you with extra temporary hearts, but they're easier to find. And an easy way is in the Barren Forest. I have a video on how to farm hardy durians, and you can head over to the Farron Tower and glide slightly west or north, I think. But there's like this cliff with a bunch of hardy durian trees, around 20, and you can just farm those all off. Type I found pretty useful was the stamina ones and the ones in the endura ones, which can recover your stamina in some cases, actually overflow it. And this helps a lot when you're trying to go a bit further, when you're swimming or climbing or doing any of the stuff that uses stamina. So I guess the best ingredients are the Endura Carrot and Staminoca Bass, I think. So those are the best ingredients, but they're all hard to get. And I would recommend cooking Endura Carrots, so around 3 Endura Carrots with 2 Endura Shrooms, as that also works pretty well. Another effect I found really useful for crossing the land, especially if I needed to hurry and go quickly without using fast travel for some reason, I would use the Hasty ingredients. So the Hasty ingredients include like the Fleet Lotus seeds, the Swift carrots, and the Swift violets. And I cooked around 3 Fleet Lotus seeds with 2 Swift violets, and that gave me a type 3 boost for 5 minutes. And yeah, I think that will do pretty nicely. Finally, we have the Mighty ones, which is also a great buff if you're fighting giant enemies such as Lynels. And those require Mighty Bananas, Mighty Thistles, or any of those. And you can find most of them in the Farron region, just scattered around the area. And I would recommend cooking 4 Mighty Bananas with 1 Mighty Thistle to get an attack up level 3 boost for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Which is actually pretty good, considering the time that most people take to fight Lynels. Alright, and those are my favorite buffs and ingredients, and everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.